Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Salivary gland tumors, and we are looking at their frequencies. So what is to be known here is that most, that is 90%. So 90% of the minor salivary glands, so minor salivary glands. So 90% of them are malignant. So 90% turns out to be malignant, whereas the parotid tumors, that is 90%, are benign. So the parotid, and this is about 90%, they are benign. Next is the pleomorphic adenoma. So pleomorphic adenoma, so this is the most common tumor of the parotid. Most common tumor of the parotid, and this is nothing but a benign tumor. So it is the most common tumor of the parotid, and this is the benign tumor. Now let's look at the type of the salivary glands. Now we focus on the major. So under major, there is parotid. So parotid, the frequency is it is common, and the percentage of malignancy, it includes 10 to 20%. Next is the submandibular. The submandibular is uncommon, and this includes about 50%. Then comes the sublingual. So sublingual is very rare. The sublingual, it is very rare, and this amounts to about 85%. So this was all about the major. Now moving on to the minor, there is the upper aerodigestive tract. There is upper aerodigestive tract. So in the upper aerodigestive tract, it is very rare. It is rare, and the percentage of malignancy is about 90%. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.